Hi, so how you can create reports within 5 minutes and then you can download or else you can share it as well. Okay, so you have both options, share and download. Okay, so even you can comment, means you can as an admin you can comment to your team members for further improvements. Okay, and you have this, you can present and record yourself, and this is a preview mode. Okay, so very easy to customize, and then you can make it your own. For example, this background light green color, I want to change this. Okay, so you have the option to change it. So first you need to tap on this section over here. Now if you simply hover it, okay, you have this option, you will get it. Yeah, so now this is the color, okay, background and pattern. So now you tap on it, then you can make it this color. Okay, so it has been changed. Now further, if you want to edit this text, you can edit it. For example, Lumina take. Okay, so Lumina take. Similarly, this 21, instead of 21 I want to make it as 22%. Then if you scroll, you have this beautiful graphs. Okay, now you tap on it, you can edit the data as well. Okay, so period, hires and departures. Okay, so this one, instead of 11 I want to make it 12. Okay, so you come to this section, tap on it, and then you make it 12. And if you this one click outside, you can see the data has been updated. Okay, 12 and 4. So hires and departures, so very easy to customize, anyone can do. Then this one actually our chart. So you can see you have this load sample data, upload file, you can upload your own file. Okay, then it will override definitely. And Google Sheet, okay, you can paste your Google Sheet link, and you can link that data as well, and you can change it. Okay, so you have status and hires, full-time, part-time, contract. Okay, then interns. For example, you want to change this with internship. Okay, or yes, so internships. So you can see it has been updated. Okay, now in this way you can further customize it. This one is another chart over here. Okay, very beautiful and modern looking, so that you can make it ready and customize it. Okay, and if you want to change this color, okay, icon color, you simply tap on this and change it in this way. Any light color you take it. Okay, so that it will look nice, right? So this one actually related to recruitment. Now we have also remote work report. Okay, so not only limited to HR, recruitment and remote work, but if you come to this section, you can see you have lots of actually templates available. Okay, marketing, then content report, then web team, global assessment, white paper, business white paper, technical, okay, non-profit investment, then tech report, employee policies, then client satisfaction survey. So lots of actually reports are available, so you can design and customize. Okay, download it and share it. So for this remote work, you can see you have this multi pages, very beautiful report. And just let me show you the whole report, right? So you can see this is how it looks. So this is the last page. Okay, conclusion over here. Now if you want to change this background color, okay, this what's included page background color, so you come to this. Okay, and then you can select any color you like, so it will be updated accordingly. Okay, you can see it has been updated. So live I am showing everything. Okay, again the save is automatic. Okay, so you no need to be worry about the getting if your data will lose. Okay, the updated versions you will not get, so no need to worry about this as well. So the save or it gets saved automatically. Okay, now let me tell you the functions you have. First of all, you can change the file name, okay, or the report name. Then page size, if you click on this, you have a custom, you can tab, you have different kinds of actually page size from letter, then A4, okay, A3, A5, 16:9, 4:3, then IG post, Instagram post, all, okay, both you have. Then IG story, you can select any one of this. Next you have redo, undo, share, comments, okay. If you tap on this comment sections, okay, you can comment on this. You simply click on this. For example, this color you want to change, instead of black, so make it yellow, for example, okay, instead of black. So in this way you can comment it, you can post it, okay. So I don't want to post it, so I will cancel, and I will this one exit comment, okay. So you have this option. Next you can present it. So if you click on this, you can open recording studio, so that you can present it. You have preview option, so this is how it looks, okay, in preview mode. This one also you have this preview option over here, okay. So this is how it looks. You can exit the preview mode to edit it further, okay. Now this left hand side, you have few more very important actually options over here. First of all, you have AI tools, image generator, icon, you can generate icons, image, logo, visuals, then you can modify images, you can upscale image, restore, background remover, object eraser, text remover. So all these useful tools you will get in this left hand side. Now under graphics, you can upload, you can find, okay, you can search anything, like for example office, okay, office desk. So if you search, you will get lots of actually office desk images, you can use them. Now these are images, okay, photos. Now for icons, if you search with this, same thing, office desk, okay. So you will get icons also, okay. Instead of images, you will get all these icons. For illustration, you will get beautiful illustrations of office desk, okay, like this. Then 3D also you can search over here, means very useful tool actually, okay. So these are related to 3D assets. Now for text, you have display, title, header and body. You can add, you can always add or duplicate any page. For example, this is the page I want to duplicate, so simply you click on this page, okay. Let me show you that one. So this is the page, okay. So you simply click on this page, you have this option, duplicate page, okay. So now you can see this page has been duplicated, okay. This is the duplicate version, okay, and this is the original one, okay. Hiring sources, and this also next step and next step, okay. So you can see hires by employment status, okay. This is also hires by employment status. So if you want to delete, so you can delete entire page if you want. So this is the option to delete the entire page, okay. Or else what you can do, you can delete a specific portion or a specific part of it. For example, this pie chart I don't like actually, so you delete this chart, okay. Now you come to this section, design component, and then you will have lots of actually this one option over charts, okay. You come to this chart and you want to add one bar chart, okay. So you add a bar chart and you position it like this, okay. You can add your own details over here, you can enter anything, you can edit it, okay. So in this way you can customize it, right? So I hope you understood the concept. So you can change the colors also. Then maps, you can add maps. My uploads, I have already shown you. Whatever files you will upload, it will be visible over here. Then under more, you have this YouTube and Vimeo integrations table. You can add tables, okay. So this is much for today. Any questions you have, please ask me, okay. And hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe, and wish you all the best. Take care.